Hello and welcome to the sewing studio. Today I'm going to show you how to make lavender ravioli. It's calorie free and it smells lovely. And these were given to me for Christmas by a friend of mine. So I thought I would share this with you and show you how to make these. And all you need is some leftover jelly roll strips. Batik is perfect because of all the lovely colours, but it can be any fabric. And these ones are great because they've already been pinked along the edge, but I am just going to do a bit more pinking with my pinking shears here. So I have already sewn down the edges here, and what Moira's done with these is she's actually sewed them in different colour threads, so you could use a lovely variegated thread and that makes it really pretty. So sew down the sides and then I'm going to sew along the bottom, pop some lavender in and sew again. So we're just going to go over to the sewing machine. So I'm just going to sew across the bottom, and you can see here that I'm not sewing from the stitch to the stitch. I'm going right the way across because we want our stitching to be noticed. And as I said, you could use a variegated thread if you wanted to, or a different colour thread to make a feature of it. And now I'm going to go back, I'm going to put some lavender in, I'm going to come back and I'm going to sew that. So I'll just get my lavender and I'm going to measure approximately 2.5 inches. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm going to snip that with my pinking shears. It's a bit wibbly, but when I've done my stitching, I'll just tidy it up and make it look pretty. So open that up. Pop your lavender in. This is the best bit, it smells gorgeous. Back to the machine, I'm going to sew across there. I'll trim my threads off. And I'm just going to tidy up that edge like that. So there we are, more lavender ravioli. So you could make them a bit bigger if you wanted, you could make them a bit smaller. The choice is yours. So have fun, and I look forward to seeing you next time here in the sewing studio.